Hi, my name is Aditya, and in this video we're going to check out the Apple iPhone 12 mini. This is the latest variant from the Apple iPhone 12 series this year, and it gets powered by the latest A14 Bionic chipset. It gets 4 GB of RAM and it puts a smaller screen compared to the other ones with a 5.4-inch Retina display. So let's get started with the unboxing of this iPhone. As you can already see that the box of this iPhone 12 mini is much smaller than what you were getting previous years. That's primarily because there's no adapter in the box and you only get the Lightning to Type-C connector inside it. In addition to that, you have the phone, yes, and you have the basic paperwork like user manual and startup guide and so on and so forth. So let's just open the box and see what all Apple is offering inside the box with this one. As you can see over here, as we mentioned, this is the Lightning Type-C connector over here. This is the Lightning board and this is the Type-C port. So this basically works along with all the Type-C adapters that you get. It also works with the latest MacBook adapter that you get inside the box. In addition to this, you have this paperwork, which is a small paper set of papers that you have, and there is primarily includes the SIM lock as well. So when you're going to start using this phone, you want to make sure that you insert the SIM inside. So you have the SIM lock over here. You just take out the key from this, just plug it into the port on the SIM slot on the phone, and you can just fit in your SIM card to get started. So that's primarily what you are getting now. The size of the box has reduced, the amount of stuff inside the box is reduced, but the biggest highlight still of the phone or the box is the phone. So this is the iPhone 12 mini from Apple, and as you can see over here, it is much smaller than the previous versions of Apple iPhone 12 series that we've seen. It gets a smaller 5.4-inch screen, it still supports Retina, and it still gets an OLED panel, but the resolution might sound much lower, but it still gets 476 ppi of pixel density. It runs on iOS 14. It is powered by Apple A14 Bionic. So there's very little to say that this is less powerful. It is as much as flagship as the other 12 series devices in the market. So that's pretty much what you get inside the box with the iPhone 12 mini. So as we wrap up this unboxing of the iPhone 12 mini, the first thing that you'll notice is no adapter, which is why you just get this cable and this small set of paperwork inside the box. And that means the size of the box has reduced quite dramatically, and it will help with easing of packaging issues for the company. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.